Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our channel. Dear student, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it. And dear student, please see all video. Don't no break it up. This is our lesson number 5th and the name of the lesson is The Food I Eat. What is the name of the lesson? The Food I Eat. Before starting the lesson, let's understand the warm up. Name the following fruits. The fruits are given here and you have to write name of these fruits. Okay, will you tell me which fruit is it? This is apple. You have to write spelling of apple. A double P L E. Yes, this apple you have to write. Here is the banana. B A N A N A. G R A P E S. These are the fruits. Yes, this is the banana. This is the apple. This is the banana, and this is the grapes. These are the fruits. We need to eat food to grow. See, why we need food, dear student? We need food to grow. If we don't eat food, we will not grow. Otherwise, we may die. Food gives us energy to work and play and study. And who gives us energy? Food. If you don't eat food, you will not have energy. You will feel tired. Yes, and this food it gives us energy for working and playing and study. It makes us strong and healthy, and food makes us strong and healthy. So dear student, you have to eat food in time and fruits also as well the food. Healthy food. See, which are the healthy food we will understand. Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts and grains are food for health, good for health. What is good for health? Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts and grains. These are good for our health. They are called healthy food. And what do they call? They call healthy food. Which are the healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts and grains. These are very good for our health and these are called healthy foods. Fruits and vegetables keep us away from illness and make us healthy. And these fruits and the vegetables, if we eat fruits and vegetables, we will not feel ill. Yes, this keeps us away from illness and these fruits and vegetables makes us healthy. See, here you can see the picture of fruits and here you can see the picture of vegetables. Yes, these fruits and vegetables keeps us away from illness and makes us healthy. Now next, milk, cheese, eggs, fish, meat and pulses help us grow strong. Who help us grow strong, dear student? Milk, cheese, eggs, fish, meat, pulses. These helps us to grow strong. Here is the milk, cheese, egg, fish, milk, meat and pulses. These all the fruit are helping us to grow strong. Food such as sugar, bread, rice, roti, potatoes and butter give us energy. Who gives us energy, dear student? See, food like sugar, bread, rice, roti, potatoes and butter, because of this food we are getting energy. These are the energy giving food. And see, every day we need to have a little bit of all this food to be healthy and strong. Every day we must eat a little bit of all this food. Yes, and because of that we become healthy and strong. If we eat this food So we will become healthy and strong. Food cooked at home and eaten fresh is best for our health. The food which is cooked at our home, yes or no, and which is the fresh food, that is best for our health. Yes. Do you understand what is the energy giving food and which food makes us strong? When should I eat? The timing they have given. This is when should I eat? To be healthy, we should eat 3 main meals a day. See, if you want to become healthy in a day, you should have how many meals? 3 meals. The first complete meal is the morning. It is called breakfast. See, at the morning, what you are eating? At the morning, you are eating breakfast, and that is your first meal. Yes. Now, the second meal is in the afternoon. It is called lunch. See, in the second meal is you are eating in the afternoon, and this called is lunch. Yes. And the third meal is in the evening. It is called dinner. And at the evening, at the night, you are eating dinner, and dinner it is your third meal. What is your first meal, dear student? Your first meal is breakfast, your second meal is lunch, and your third meal is dinner. These 3 meals you have to eat in time. We can also have smaller meals in between, and in these 3 in these 3 meals in between you can have some. These are called snacks. In between 3 meals you can have snacks. It is important to have our food on time, and it is very important to have your meal on time. Did you know some food such as pizzas, burger, soda and fries are junk food? See, these pizzas, burger, soda and fries, these are junk food. We should eat this food only once in a while, and only once in a while you have to eat this food, otherwise no, because these are junk food. And if you eat this junk food in high quantity, you may feel ill, you may have stomachache. Yes. From where do we get our food? Now see, that is very important question. Now we are discussing here our foods are very important. We get energy from the food, but from where do we get our food? From where do we get our food? Vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses and nuts come from plants. See, vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, this food which we are eating, it's come from where? It's come from plants. Yes. Egg, milk, fish and meat come from birds and animals. And eggs we are eating, milk, fish, meat, these comes from whom? Birds and animals. Now quick check. Write the name of your favorite food. Which food do you like, dear student? I like fish. So I have written it here, fish. Find out where does it come from. So, and you have to write where it is come from. I like fish. Fish comes from water. Yes. Now the next is along with our food, we also need to have plenty of water and get enough exercise and rest. See, food is good for our health. It makes us strong, it gives energy, it makes us healthy. As well as food, we should have plenty of water. We should drink plenty of water. We should get enough exercise and rest. All of those together keep our body healthy, and all this exercise, rest, water and healthy food, it's together makes our body healthy and make us alert and energetic. And if you do it So your body, it will be alert and energetic always. See, here the boy is drinking plenty of water. Here he is exercising. The girl is sleeping. These three things are comes together the healthy food. Then we will be very healthy. New words are there. Junk food, fried or unhealthy food which are not good for us. What is junk food? Alert, to be active, attentive. These are the two new words we have learned. Next is concept recall. Food is here. Which kind of food? See, keeps us healthy. Food keeps us healthy. Sources, energy and main meals. Now see, food keeps us healthy. Which food keeps us healthy? Milk, cheese, vegetables, nut, fruits and grains. These keeps us healthy. Sources, plants and animals. These are the sources of food. Energy, work, play, study. Main meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. This is our concept recall. Let's start with the exercise. Write T for true and F for false sentences. Write T for true and F for false sentences. We need food to grow strong. We need food to grow strong is the true. Fruits and vegetables are not good for us. Fruits and vegetables are not good for us. False. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. True. We should have a breakfast once every week. False. If we eat healthy food, we do not need to exercise. False. Now fill in the blanks. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Now milk and cheese help us dash strong. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Sugar, butter and potatoes give us energy. The first big meal of the day is called breakfast. Snacks are small meals in between. See dear students, second is what? First is what? Food makes us strong and healthy. Second, milk and cheese help us grow strong. Sugar, butter and potatoes give us energy. The first big meal of the day is called breakfast. Snacks are small meals in between. Now our question third is answer the following questions. What are some kinds of healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts and grains are healthy food. Okay, which are some kinds of healthy food? Fruits, vegetable, milk, nuts and grains are healthy food. How does milk and cheese help us? Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Name some food which give us energy. Sugar, bread, rice, roti, potatoes and butter. This gives us energy. Name some food that come from plants. Vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses and nuts comes from plants. This is the activity. Draw one food item that you had for the meal mentioned below. You have to do drawing. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. What do you eat? That you have to draw. Understood? Dear student, here we have finished lesson number 5. Yes, food. And this was very interesting lesson. It's very easy. Even I have given you explanation with the exercise. To get more videos, dear student, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.